See, you can see many varieties here. This section is the latest one, and this one is of different shapes. And this is the ordinary one. You have seen it many times.
Latest na?
Yeah, latest.
First we would like to see the latest one.
Yeah, sure. See has the beautiful picture of Daya. And see here, the latest movies picture, this Muni and Sheila. And have you ever imagined the whole cricket team in one kite? See.
Wow, it's nice.
Also, it is at very reasonable rate, only 5 per kite.
This bundle?
Yeah.
Okay. You just keep this bundle aside and please show us the different shapes of kites.
Yeah, sure. See, this is a kite of a human shape. And as you see, this is the last bundle left in our shop. This is of the heart-shaped kite.
It's nice, but it seems to be much heavy na?
Yeah,
No, it's not too heavy. You just can hold it and see. It is very easy to fly also.
Yeah, it is not heavy.
Yeah.
Also, it is at very reasonable rate, only 7 per kite, as it is the latest one. So, ma'am, please come this side.
Yeah.
See, this is a kite, biggest kite which we have got first time in our shop. Would you like to buy this one?
No, it's too big, and to make it fly, we have to use the thick thread. It is very dangerous.
I think much for us. So I think you give me the price about the total price.
Yeah, sure. I think 25. Total would be 300.
300?
Isn't
My
it too
God.
high?
Okay. I can give you 25% discount, not more than that.
Okay, thank you, and take it.
Your bundle.
Okay.
Thank you.
See, when we talk of situation, we are talking of Uttarayan celebration. We can take it as a speech situation. And here, shopkeeper, one more conversation. Just a minute. Yes.
That is also clipping on that conversation is based on
Yeah.
the
See,
same
what
situation.
my point is,
And or before that, I am going to ask you one thing. What is the difference between speech situation, event, and act?
Okay.
Because situation, I think, is a different thing. Event is a thing
What
in
we-
which
smaller unit of-
smaller part
yeah.
of that, and act. I think the activity straight away done at that time is
Okay.
act. So
Yes.
I want to listen from you.
Before we go further, let us watch one more conversation. Yes. See, authentic situation is taken here. Our purpose to generate communication. Again, shopkeeper and
My assistant will show you the old kites, and even we have nylon kites and also big kites are available here. Show them.
Come, ma'am. All the varieties are available. You are just choosing.
Okay, we want this and this.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. You go to counter.
Do you have trades?
Yes, we have threads. We are having 3 kinds of the threads: Surti Maja, Bareli Maja, and the normal thread in which will come in a reel.
Okay, so you give 2 Surti manjats and 1 normal thread only.
Okay, ma'am. So, do you anything else? We are having a big kites also. So, you want to buy?
Yeah, we have decided. So give us a big cards of red color only. Only one.
Okay, ma'am. And in our shop, we are having bandits and gubbaras also.
But we have bandits, but you just give us two candlesticks and one gubbara only.
Okay, ma'am. And this is your bill of 1,500 rupees. How much is the 1,500? Yes, 1,500. So you.
But it's so too much. Just do it reasonable for us.
Ma'am, it is so much reasonable because in our shop we are having so much. We are so much reasonable for the customer, ma'am.
Okay. And what about this cap?
Okay, this is okay. I forget this. This is free of cost for you and from our shop.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
see. Now, what do you think about these two? After watching these two conversations? Here, first of all, what is the situation? Shopkeeper and customers. In first conversation, what we find? Group of friends go together to buy kites. In first conversation, shopkeeper is putting focus over different types of kites. And in second conversation, you may find that shopkeeper, he was persuading. He was talking of gubbaras, he was talking of bandage, he was talking of some other things. And one more thing, what he has talked of in the end, if you might have seen it, then what they say, what about this cape? What he says, free of charge. Means they are also encouraging customers that they should come, and here is means one kind of incentive for them.
Yeah.
So authentic situation was taken, and you see the body language of the learners, because science and clues are much more important. How much enthusiastic they are, how much involved they are in this. So our purpose is to make communication is quite successful here. So what my point is, just now we have talked about speech situations. If we take these type of situations, which are means related with very much related with the learners, then they will be able to use their background knowledge. In second conversation, they are talking of Surti Manza, Khambati, kites and other things. So if they know all these things, and our purpose is to make maximum use of their background knowledge, and because of this reason, we are selecting this Uttarayan celebration as a broad situation. So let us talk of speech.
Here I would like to add something.
Yes, please.
See, the shopkeeper is also very much exact. He knows what he has to do, what he has to communicate. And the customers also have come with a purpose that what they have to buy. So whatever knowledge they have, they utilize it, they ask the shopkeeper. And the shopkeeper, because of his knowledge and because of the things, and plus his body language, he is very much encouraging. But you see the body language of the assistant shopkeeper. The assistant shopkeeper is not at all interested in selling his thing, because he doesn't have any interest whether the shopkeeper earns or not. He is going to get his salary. So like that, we can talk of the knowledge plus the body language, the attitude of the communicator, the attitude of the receiver also. So here we find that it was a very successful communication because of the shopkeeper as well as the customers. So this situation is very much good here.
And one more point
And
I would like to
appropriate.
add here, they are making some grammatical mistakes.
Yes.
But so far as message is communicated, purpose
Yes.
is successful, then let it be. Because at initial level we cannot go for all these things simultaneously.
Yes.
First of all, we will have to put focus on fluency.
Yeah.
So that learners will be
And that
encouraged,
is
they will be
achieved.
making use
That
of
is
all these
achieved.
things. So significance of errors, that is also important here.
Yeah, and in my opinion, I think this is a very good example of business communication.
Yes,
because
definitely.
how can the deals are going on, and how the
Yes.
bargaining
Yes.
is done there.
How can
and
you
the
lure
incident is very
customers, yes.
appropriate because that is Uttarayan. Uttarayan has just gone, and the students are acting the part very well there.
Yes.
They are bargaining, and there is a shopkeeper, and they
As if he
they
is a
talk
real shopkeeper.
as if they
Yes.
are a real shopkeeper.
That is the reason we call it
That is-
authentic communication.
Yeah. Yes.
See, you might have seen the servant in second conversation. What type of attitude she had? She
He's,
was bit indifferent.
yeah.
In real life, what happens? It is shopkeeper who is much concerned about his business.
Yes.
But servants, they are concerned with their salaries. So when he asked how much, she couldn't answer. When shopkeeper asked how much, she couldn't answer.
Yes.
And then shopkeeper said 1500. Then she said, oh yes, 1500. In real life, we find all these things. So our purpose is to generate real life like conversation even in the classrooms. For this, what I have said earlier, our purpose is just after that they will be able to make use of this outside the class.
Yeah.
So this is speech event, means speech situation is a broad term. In a speech event, different aspects, different activities can be taken. And third thing is speech act.
Yeah.
See, this is the smallest unit. What happens? And we can say, we use sign language, means shut the door, open the window. What does it mean? Suppose sometimes we give command to somebody, we are tired and we do not want to watch television. At that time we say, don't open, okay, start it. We do not want to see, or it is very cold. Why don't you shut the door? Then purpose is, why don't you shut the door? Means one kind of suggestion, or shut the door.
That is an order.
It's an order.
Yeah. So in a speech act, we have, this is the smallest unit, but in sentence, we have grammatical focus or structures, but here focus is on functional part. So suppose I hereby order you to leave the building is a command, or would you mind typing this letter for me?
That is request.
Okay. So what my point is speech act, and then speech event, and then speech situation. we'll have to go accordingly. It is very much important if you want to make situation meaningful or communication contextualized.
So
Yes.
I think this is a meaningful situation because Uttarayan had just gone and they are talking about Uttarayan and
Yes.
so can
And
you
many
give
other
me
situations
some
can be
example,
taken. It is not
example
necessary we should
regarding
take- yeah.
situation and event and act? Can you
Yes.
give me some example
Yes.
regarding that?
Of
We
course,
can
one more.
also bring changes through intonation. The same word can convey different sorts of meaning. See, if I say, just say go away means my personal attitude is not there towards. Then if I am irritated, I will say go. So I will bring that expression on my face also. So the same word go will have different meaning. It will convey different messages. Then if we say, if we take the word no, just a simple word no or yes. So no, then it is irritating, and the same way we can take the word yes also. If I say, if somebody is entering the class, I will say yes. If somebody is going to ask me something, I will say yes. Means if I raise my tone, that will be asking a question, the same word, but just by raising the tone, it conveys a different sort of message. Then if I am listening to some conversation on the telephone, I will just I want to respond to the other person, so I will just say yes, yes, yes. It means that I am listening to the person. So that is again a different thing. So by just changing the intonation also, we can bring about different changes in the
And different
meaning.
meanings.
Yes, different meanings of the
Functional aspect,
same word.
Let us see
So-
one more example here. You are talking of speech situation, speech event. You are saying that students may have some sort of confusion. So here you can see one example. Suppose you are having a birthday party. Today is your birthday and you are arranging party, and it can be termed as a speech situation. It is a speech situation. And in party, what happens in the evening? We cut a cake. We invite so many friends, people,
standing
relatives,
in
neighbors. So speech situation is what? Birthday party you are organizing, and then in that party you invite so many people, and they themselves divided into groups, and they are conversing on different topics. So this conversation takes place in different groups, can be termed as a speech event. And during that conversation somebody cracks a joke, or sometimes there is a small we can say quarrels. That can also be part of this. Sometimes we make complaints during conversation. Suppose we meet somebody in the party and
are complaining about
we
He's
want
not
to talk to
there.
that fellow, and then we complain or we make request, or many other things can be done there. So what my point is, birthday party is a situation, and then conversation,
Conversation
that
is
is this event, and then you are cracking a joke, or you are making request, you are explaining something, you are suggesting something, or you are giving something new, some new idea to others. Then that is what speech act. So I hope with this example it would be.
The concept was very clear here,
Please.
and I think the students may be helped with this situation and
Okay.
event and act, because they are almost at many times they are confused between situations, event and act.
Yes.
See.
So if we have some more example regarding
Yes.
that, and before going to that, I would
course.
have I would like to ask you, what are the functions of languages regarding when we are talking about this command and request and other things. So what are the functions of language according to you?
No, there are so many functions of language. We cannot limit them. You are complaining all the time. If you watch your schedule right from morning till evening, you find that how many functions you performs. You meet somebody, you inform somebody, you request somebody, you convince somebody, you persuade somebody. So all these are functions. So let us see one example here. Functions of language. So what boss is? Here is situation. Good morning, Swati. Nice day, isn't it? So this is what's fatigue communication. Means you want to show empathy or solidarity. Secretary says, yes, it's a lovely. Makes me wonder why we are not going on a holiday. Again, it's a fatigue communication. Then what boss is? That's right. Expressive function. Means we are expressing. But if you look at the next sentence, what is that? Look, I wonder if you could type this by 11. I need it for meeting. So here, function is to direct somebody. Means we want to get some work done. So because of that reason, he's saying you could type this letter by 11. So that is directive. And if you go further, what she says, yes, sure, that is referential. That is referential function.
Yes.
And no problem, expressive. So cognitive function, evaluative function, expressive function, fatigue function, ideational function, and many other functions we can talk of. Holiday is also talked of this. Okay, so it was Halliday who has added this concept of functions of language during this. And in the end, what the boss says, thanks, that's great. So this is also expressive function. So in one sentence, we can find thanks. So here it's a expressive. Sometimes we are expressing our gratitude, or sometimes we want to, means thankful to others, that those who have done our work. So in many situations, this same word can be used. So it depends upon the situation, which type of function that
We are using in that
sentence
sentence.
performs there.
So I think the functions are very clear here. And now we are going to communication process. Now, when we are talking about functions, we must have the concept comes to our mind that elements of communication process are
Okay.
which are the elements of communication process. So I would like to ask ma'am, what do you think the elements of communication process are?
See, first of all, we have the situation, then we have got the purpose, then knowledge, feedback, signal, attitude, and capacity to transmit, language, and then intellectualism, environmental and socio-cultural element. So, as we have seen there, the situation was of Uttarayan. So, we have to have a clear cut situation in our mind which has to be presented before the students if they want to if we are there in the communication class. So then we should have the purpose, means what we have to communicate. So for the purpose also we have to have that direct in our mind. Then the knowledge also, the knowledge of the teacher, how much knowledge he has about his situation, about what he has to communicate, and about the situation he has. Then the knowledge of the learner also has to be considered, because we can make use of the knowledge of the learner in communication. Then feedback is also important, because why he has communicated, what he has communicated, is that clear to the student? So if he